Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. Today, you are going to need your number line mathmat. It is that mathmat, has a bunch of number lines on it because today we're going to be taking a look at some number sentences, some number models, and we're going to see if we put two of them together. Will it be true or not true? So let's get started as I shrink myself into the corner. Today we are going to be doing grade 1, lesson 6.3, true and false number sentences. And you will need your number line mathmat placed in the sheet protector. So let's do just a little quick review here. There's a couple signs that we've learned in math. This little sign here is the equal sign. That means both of our sides have the same value. And when it's placed in a number model, that means the number model is true. Both sides are equal. Now, if we wanted to show that it was not true, it's not equal, what we do is we take that equal sign and we put a line through it. That means it's not true. It's not equal. Both sides are not the same. And another word for not true is false. So today we're going to be taking a look at some number sentences. And we're going to have to decide if the number sentences are equal or not equal, if they're true or not true. So let's take a look. I have two cards here. Here's my first card, and here's my second card. My first card says 5 plus 5. Well, we know what 5 plus 5 equals. We don't even need our number line for this. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And I like to write that down. I like to write 10. Now, my other card that's on the other side is 6 plus 4. Now, we should know what 6 plus 4 equals too, because it is a friend of 10. 6 plus 4 more, 7, 8, 9, 10. So both of our sides equals 10. Both of our cards has a value of 10. So we have to decide, is it true? Are they both the same value? Or is it not true? Are they different values? Well, the problems may look a little different, 5 plus 5 and 6 plus 4. They're certainly not exactly the same, but their answer is the same. So these number sentences are equal. And I would read it like this. 5 plus 5 equals 6 plus 4. And that's a true number sentence. Let's try another one. Now this time we're going to need our number lines. So let's see here. I have two more cards. My first card is 7 plus 5. Well, let's use our number line. Start at 7, count up 5. So let's see where we land. I'm going to put a dot at 7, start at 7, and then I'm going to count up 5. So I'm going to make 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did you land? I landed on the number 12, and I'm going to write that 12 just so that I remember. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now I have another card, another number model. 15 minus 2. Now this means start at 15, count back 2. So let's go ahead and start at 15. We can put a dot at 15. But this time we're going to count back. So we're going to be heading towards 0. Count back 2. 1, 2. Where did you land? I landed on 13. Now, here's our question. Did we land on the same number? were both of those number models equal or not equal? Well, 7 plus 5 equaled 12. 15 minus 2 equaled 13. They are not equal. So I moved the not equal sign between them. Notice even on my number line, I landed on the number 12. I landed on the number 13. I didn't land on the same number. I would read this number model. 7 plus 5 is not equal to 15 minus 2. That's a false number model. It's not true. Let's take a look at one last problem. Go ahead and erase off your number line if you have to. We have two number models, two cards we have to solve. Our first card says 4 plus 9. We're going to count up. Now remember the little trick. I always start at my bigger number when I want to count up. So let's start at 4, or let's start at 9 and count up 4. So we'll put a dot at 9, start at 9, and count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did you land? So I landed on the number 13. I'm going to write that just so that I remember it. 4 plus 9 equals 13. Now I have another number model. 14 minus 1. Start at 14, count back 1. Well, let's go ahead. Start at 14. I'll put a dot at 14. Count back 1. This time I'm heading towards 0. Count back 1. Where do you land? Well, look at that. I landed on 13. Are these two number models equal or not equal? Well, they are equal because they both have the same answer. 4 plus 9 equals 13. 14 minus 1 equals 13. So both number models are equal. Let's see how we would read it. 4 plus 9 equals 14 minus 1. So we could take a look at some number models and we can decide whether or not it's going to be true or false by using the equal sign or the not equal sign between them. All right, my friends, you are going to have some number cards to solve where you're going to have to decide, are the two cards equal or not equal? I can't wait to see how smart you are.